Looking for website development services? Increase sales by more than 500% with a professional website built to perform. As a leading web development firm, we provide experienced designers and developers to take your online presence to the next level. Our services: logo design, visiting card design, poster design, website development, SEO management. We expertise in website development and hosting, website maintenance, UX UI designs, web app development, research and competitor analysis. Features of website development: mobile compatibility, well-planned information architecture, well-formatted content, fast load times, browser consistency, effective navigation, contrasting color scheme. Benefits of website development: get to win with SEO, provide visual content on the website, increase the sales, attract lifetime clients to your business, reach out to more clients, improving user engagement, resourceful in marketing and advertising. Our web experiences are high-performing, feature-packed and digitally transformative, designed to be user-friendly, fully functional, very secure and able to scale as your enterprise grows. Contact us today. Dynode Software Technology Pvt Ltd. Address: 203, Jyoti Tower, Op. Central Bank, New Dakbunglow Road, Patna, Bihar 800001. Mobile number +91 7979078552. WhatsApp 9431047956. Email corp@dynodecorp.com. Web www.dynodecorp.com. Thanks for appreciating our job, and we will continue working hard to meet your expectations. Thank you.